Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Quick Cast in Settings. This makes abilities fire instantly toward your cursor. Next, bind the ability keys you use most. Do not skip modifiers for self-cast. Once done, enter a practice lobby and try quick casting basic spells while moving. This builds timing. Make sure to keep input consistent. Same keys, same hand position. Doing this now gets you past setup and into the muscle memory phase faster, so you can move to combo practice next. You now focus on the how, timing, and aim. Use a ranged or skill shot hero and observe projectile travel. Quick Cast requires predicting enemy movement. Once done, drill cast and move so you don't stand still. Quick Cast should free your cursor for repositioning. Make sure to practice short, consistent combos. Quick Cast spell 1, then item or second spell within a half to 1 second until it feels natural. After you can reliably land basic combos, add pressure with bots or custom lobby. You finish by applying Quick Cast in real games, starting with your most used spells so mistakes cost less. During matches, focus on consistency. Pick 1 or 2 abilities to Quick Cast until you never miss them. Make sure to watch replays afterward to identify miscasts or bad positioning, then tweak binds or sensitivity. If things go wrong, try the one key fix. Enable a self-cast modifier or switch to Quick Cast on release temporarily. This often resolves misclicks while you adapt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.